Hello kids, Teacher Sasa here, and I am back to teach you in this video. Okay? So our lesson for today is about the solar system. Everybody, the solar system. Okay. So what is a solar system? The solar system is the planetary system of the sun in the Milky Way galaxy. So where is the solar system? It is in the Milky Way galaxy. It was formed 4.6 billion years ago. So how much is a billion? I will show you.
And multiply it by 1,000 again, that number is a billion.
Okay, so a billion has 9 zeros. Okay, so 4.6 billion is 4 and has 9 zeros. Okay, next one. So this is the solar system, and these are the planets, the comets, the asteroids, and the stars around the sun. So the solar system is the name given to the sun and all other objects moving around it. Okay? The sun is orbited by asteroids, comets, 8 planets, and other things. So what are the things that orbits around the sun? So this one is an asteroids. Asteroids. Okay. Next one. Comets. Comets. So comets are what you call the falling star or the wishing star, right? Next one. So this is what the sun or the solar system looks like, okay? It is revolving and the sun is the biggest star. Oh, so the sun is a star? Yes, the sun is the biggest star. It is located at the center of the solar system. The sun looks small because it is 150 kilometers away from us, or it is 150 kilometers away from the solar system, from the earth. So the sun is what you call like that. Everything is revolving around the sun. Okay? And this is what the sun looks like. This spinning ball of hot gas is a huge source of light and heat. It is consist of hydrogen and helium. Okay? So the sun is consist of hydrogen and helium. And the temperature at its core is extremely high. Yeah, the sun is very, very hot. Can you imagine how hot is the sun? Like that. And take a look at this one. So the temperature at the core is around 15,000 degrees Celsius. Oh, I'm sorry. It is 15 million degrees Celsius. Imagine how hot is that? So the core, this one, this word, core, means inside, okay? Or the center. Core means inside or the center. So inside this sun is a 15 million degree Celsius in temperature. How very, very hot. And the temperature at the surface, this one, surface, it means outside. So the temperature at the surface of the sun is around 5,700 degrees Celsius. Not as cold as the inside of the sun. Okay? So the sun also produces big explosions of energy called solar flares. Solar flares. Next one, prominences. Prominences. So prominences are big glowing gas above the sun's bright surface. They are very huge, rising up to thousands and millions of kilometers in height and width. So if we view the sun's image from a telescope, this one, we will see one or more darker patches like this one, the dark patches, which are known as sunspots. Sunspots. Okay, so these spots appear darker because they are cooler than the surroundings, like what I show you about the lighter. So without the heat and light from the sun, the whole solar system would be too cold. Okay? And the living things on Earth would probably freeze to death. Because if there is no sun, it will be very, very cold. Okay? So let's think. We are advised not to look directly at the sun. Why is it so? Because the sun is very high in temperature and it will damage the eyes of a human being if directly looking at the sun without a gadget. Okay? So let's know more. The sun is the closest star to the earth. So the sun is the closest star to the earth. That's why it appears to be bigger than the other stars. Okay? The sun is the center of our solar system. So the sun is so big that about 1 million Earth, oh my God, about 1 million Earth can fit inside it. So we can get 1 million Earth inside the sun. We can put 1 million Earth inside the sun. How big is that? And the temperature at the core of the sun is more than 10 million, like what I say, it is 15 million degrees Celsius. Almost everything on Earth would melt at this temperature if we go near the sun, okay? So, the activity for today is like this. We will skip this one, okay? So, what are the planets in the solar system? One more time, say it with Teacher Sasa. Planets. Again, planets. Okay, so planets in the solar system. And do you know how many planets are there? So we will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 planets in the solar system. The sun is orbited by the 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay, but there's another one. Did you see that? Let's know later why it is not included in the solar system already. So let's listen to this song. Okay, so that is the song for the solar system and its 8 planets. So, number 1, look at this picture. This is called the Mercury. One more time, Mercury. Okay, so Mercury is the smallest and nearest planet to the sun. Its day is very hot while its night is very cold. Okay? And that is Mercury. Okay. Number 2, Venus. Venus. What is it? Okay. So Venus is the second planet from the sun. It has poisonous air. One more time. Poisonous air that traps heat. Thus, it is the hottest planet. Okay, one more time please. Hottest planet. And what is it? What is the hottest planet? Venus. Okay? Next, Earth. Earth. One more time. Earth. What is it? Okay, so the Earth is the third planet from the sun. It is the third or the number 3 planet from the sun. This is the only planet with life forms. Okay, so Earth is the only planet with living things in this planet. So this is where we are. This is our planet. And what do you call it? Earth. What do you call it? Very good. Number 4, Mars. Are you from Mars? Let's know why. One more time, please. Mars. One more time. Mars. Okay. So Mars is the 4th planet from the sun. It is also known as the red planet due to its color. So the red planet is called Mars. What is the red planet? Mars. Very good. Number 5, Jupiter. Jupiter. One more time. Okay. So Jupiter is the 5th planet from the sun. It is the largest planet, or it is the biggest planet. It is cold and has poisonous air. Okay. Next one, Saturn. Saturn. One more time. Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet. So, it is the second largest planet, but it is the 6th planet from the sun, right? Its ring, this one, you call this as the ring, makes it the most beautiful object in the solar system. So, what is the most beautiful planet in the solar system? Yes, it is the Saturn. Okay, next one, Uranus. Uranus. One more time. Okay, Uranus. And it is color blue. Do you know why? So Uranus is the 7th planet from the sun. And it is very cold. Okay? It is very cold. That's why it is color blue. Because the colder the object, it gets darker in color. And if the object is very hot, it gets the red color. Okay? So the last planet is Neptune. Okay? Neptune. One more time. Very good. Neptune. So Neptune is the eighth and the farthest planet from the sun. It is very far. It is blue and extremely cold. Okay? So Neptune is colder than Uranus, right? Ah. It is blue and extremely cold. Colder than Uranus. You see that? Because Neptune is bluer than Uranus. Okay? So those are the 8 planets that we have in the solar system. So we will stop in here and I will give you the activity in here. Okay? So the first page of your worksheet. So what you are going to do is number the planets below based on their distances from the sun, starting from the planet farthest from it. Okay. So what you're going to do is you write the number or the order of the planets from the sun. Okay? Next one. This one. You have to write the name of the planets. Okay? Label the planets in its correct order. So you have to write the name of each planet that is around the sun. Okay? So this is we are going to stop, and Teacher Sasa will see you next time. Maybe Friday if the internet is good. Okay? Bye bye, kids, and good luck. And I am very sorry for today. Okay? Forgive me. Thank you.